In this video, we will introduce you to the basics of budgeting and how it can improve your personal finance. Budgeting is a tool that helps you take control of your financial situation by tracking your income and expenses. The first step in budgeting is to know your income. This includes your salary, bonuses, and any other sources of income. It is important to track your income accurately to create a realistic budget. The next step is to understand your expenses. This includes both fixed rent, utilities, and variable groceries, entertainment expenses. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you can reduce spending and save money. Using the information you gathered from tracking your income and expenses, you can now create a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your expected income and expenses for a specific period of time, usually monthly. The key to successful budgeting is to stick to it. Make adjustments as needed, but always make sure to allocate money towards your goals such as savings or paying off debt. In summary, budgeting is a simple but powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. By tracking your income and expenses, creating a budget, and sticking to it, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom.